We look forward to partnering with you continuously and making sure that we secure your digital journey. We look forward to seeing you next year.
Thanks for bringing your ideas, energies, and collaboration to Accelerate25 Asia here in Southeast Asia. It's been a great connecting, and we can't wait to see you again next year.
Thank you to our customers, partners, and sponsors for such a phenomenal response to Accelerate Asia 2025.